Is NordVPN safe? Well, I'm here to show you the exact safety protocols it has and how you can find them. So let's find out if NordVPN is safe. And once you do, please remember hitting that link down below is going to get you the greatest deal online right now for this at onlyvpns.net. So let's get in. So guys, first we've got the website, okay, and I've actually got it opened up for you on the right. So we're going to colorate it as we need. So they say it's bulletproof security and state-of-the-art encryption for ultimate online protection at NordVPN, guys. I think it's pretty safe, and I'm going to show you why. How secure is NordVPN? So a VPN in general, or a virtual private network, is one of the best ways to enjoy your security and privacy on the web. It's just as important as the antivirus software on your computer and the mobile devices. A secure VPN will cloak your data into robust online encryption, obscuring your internet activities. That's what a VPN does. Now, how does a VPN security work? This protects your online life by encrypting your internet traffic, holding your real IP address. Okay, it's a lot of words. If you don't really care about that, if you don't want to get deep into the descriptions of it, it keeps you safe online. Real easy, all right? And different VPNs use different protocols to keep you safe. Now, what makes a safe VPN? Okay, how do you pick the best one? You need robust data encryption, no data leaking, no IP address leaks, no DNS leaks, kill switch, and multi-factor authentication. So with the robust data encryption down the left-hand side, all right, you can see it creates a secure tunnel that connects your computer to the internet through a remote server. They have the no data tracking, where you could do your online business. That's why you're picking a VPN that will keep your browsing activities private and crucial, okay? No IP address leaks. One of the main functions of VPN service is to hide your IP address, so this ensures privacy. To prevent that, NordVPN solution involves disabling most IPv6 traffics to ensure that user traffic is secure. You've got your DNS leaks. NordVPN is fantastic and only uses DNS servers operated by NordVPN to try VPN tests to make sure it's working okay. Kill switch is a fantastic user product that if you don't have it on a VPN, you shouldn't be using it, okay? It's another way to ensure your traffic is safe online. I want to stress this very much. Okay, NordVPN's kill switch, and let me just show you on the app exactly where this is. A kill switch stops you. It stops you from leaving any of your information online. Okay, so if a server was to go down, for example, you can see here, if one of these servers goes down, Norway, for example, when it starts connecting, okay, we are connected to Norway right now, and this is their IP address. If this goes down online, okay, we just disconnected as if it went down. None of your information is stored. That's what the kill switch does. It completely obliterates all your information. It's not left there like other VPNs do. Now, what NordVPN have is an advanced kill switch as well. So always have this ticked on, guys. Now, this is another way to ensure, like I said, your internet connection will stay blocked until disconnect from the server manually or the server is reestablished. Guys, it's really important, right? NordVPN, more than any other VPN, aside from all elements, actually secures VPNs, all right? It boasts plenty of extra security features, but this does what it needs. It's got the threat protection, which, of course, you can get inside here. If you go to your presets, okay, this is where you can actually see all your custom VPN settings. But within your meshnet, you have everything you need to have your meshnet available. The statistics you don't really need to go into unless you are really diving into what you've done for that day and things like that. With the dark web monitor, okay, if you're going on the dark web, you can go into this where you turn this on, okay? It's going to be searched in the dark web. Your email address isn't there, okay? But guys, the threat protection, let's talk about it. The threat protection, like when you're connected to the VPNs, the filtering blocks ads and malicious domains before any threats reach your device. So simply just turn that on. Okay, that's your threat protection right there. Going through the dark web monitor, like I spoke about, is right here. This is how you get to it. And it has split tunneling, guys, which enables you to customize which apps you want to cloak. Guys, the auto connect, all you got to simply do is click on this. Okay, you can actually have the auto connect. So whenever you come on, it can connect to whatever country it is you want it to do. So you're always connected on. It's really easy, guys, user friendly to go around this. Okay, this is why I think NordVPN is fantastic. Better than most of them. One of the most important things that you need to see, okay, is going over to their protocols. All right, you've got the VPN protocol. I always press use recommended, but their NordLinks is by far the most powerful protocol out of any VPN I have ever got a chance of reviewing or even using. So guys, these are the reasons why I think NordVPN is fantastic. What I want you to do is click on that link down below and actually go over to OnlyVPNs to get involved in this VPN. It's super, super easy, quick connect, and all your preferences are up there. Choose one from the left and you will be safe. There you go, guys. I hope you have a great opinion on now if NordVPN is safe, whether that is good or bad. Okay, I tried to get you all the honest feedback that I can, but what I need you to do is hit that link down below if you want to get this exclusive deal for NordVPN, or go to OnlyVPN.net to look at other VPNs. And please do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.